Hi, Robin. This is Tara. I just wanted to show you and give you a quick look as an example because I know the previous examples, the Swift files would not come through. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of just a really basic example of a CBT that I kind of just put together. So let me go ahead and preview this project. Color and perception. How colors can affect perception. And what you'll notice right off the bat is on the bottom right hand side, you just have the green box highlighted. You have your forward, your backward button. You go ahead and click forward. Gives you just a nice little quote. Continue to click forward. Um, and it just kind of walks you through just basic examples. And what you're looking for is just to see, okay, what are you observing? You notice all the wonderful colors, but what are you observing? So what did you notice? How did how do you think you did for what you observed? Just take a few moments and think about all of the pictures that you saw of the offices. Which one office stood out to you? And would you be able to point it out if something really changed? So we're going to go ahead and continue to go forward. And you're just observing and seeing, hey, did anything change in any of the pictures? And Robin, if you're anything like me, you probably noticed. What did you notice this time? Was everything the exact same when you went back? Go ahead and continue to click forward. Let's take a moment and see how color affected your perception. And you'll notice that it pops up with your first question. And if you hover, you put your cursor over the little box, you hover, you can go ahead and come up with a hint. How many times did you click submit? We clicked submit button 3 times, and notice it comes up with correct. So we'll go ahead and go forward. And what's special about this picture, Robin? I know that you're very keen. You probably already noticed if you put your cursor right here, you'll notice that, okay, so the young woman is sitting at the desk here. So that is the change. Go ahead and continue to click forward. And you do have a little test built in. How many offices did you observe? 3, 4, 5. I really don't remember. Let's go ahead and say I don't remember. And we'll hit submit, and that's incorrect. And you can go ahead and click anywhere to continue. And it brings you right back into saying, hey, what do you remember? What's different? And one of the things that you'll notice if you click backwards, you'll notice this little area here is different. However, the question is, was this an office? I suppose you answered the previous question with 4 offices. However, this picture is obviously not an office. So it just asks, how much did color play a role in those changes, in those differences? And you will go ahead and click forward, and you'll notice that again. And then it ends the CBT with thank you for your time today. So this is, Robin, when I tell you this is a very, very basic example, this is a basic example, but I wanted to, at least demonstrate a basic example for you so that you have one available on record.